Is your Easter cactus refusing to bloom or looking a little sad and thin? What if I told you that this beautiful plant has a secret care routine most people completely miss, and that one simple change can make it explode with flowers every spring? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow, care for, and rebloom your Easter cactus like a pro. Let's turn your plant into a blooming masterpiece. Section 1. What is an Easter cactus? Before we dive in, let's understand what makes this plant special. The Easter cactus, also known as Hadiora gartneri, is not your typical desert cactus. It actually comes from tropical rainforests in Brazil. That means it loves humidity, it prefers indirect light, and it hates being treated like a desert plant. It's also part of the holiday cactus family, along with the Christmas and Thanksgiving cactus, but this one blooms in spring. And yes, it's a little more sensitive, but also incredibly rewarding. Section 2. Lighting requirements. Lighting is one of the biggest keys to success. Your Easter cactus loves bright indirect light, gentle morning sun, filtered light through curtains, but avoid harsh afternoon sun. It can burn the leaves. Visual cue. Show sunburned versus healthy plant. If your plant turns reddish or purple, it's getting too much sun. If it's not growing or blooming, it might need more light. Best spot? Near an east-facing window. Section 3. Watering guide. Here's where most people mess up. Easter cactus does not like constantly wet soil, but it also doesn't want to dry out completely. Perfect method. Let the top 1 to 2 inches of soil dry out, then water deeply until it drains out. Important. Never let it sit in water. Signs to watch. Mushy stems overwatering, wrinkled leaves underwatering. Think slightly moist, never soggy. Section 4. Temperature and humidity. Show cozy indoor setup. Misting, pebble tray. Because it's tropical, your plant prefers temperatures between 16 to 24 degrees Celsius, 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, moderate to high humidity. If your home is dry, try misting lightly, using a pebble tray, grouping plants together. Avoid cold drafts. This can cause buds to drop instantly. Section 5. Soil and potting. Forget standard cactus soil. This plant needs something richer. Best mix. Regular potting soil, perlite or sand, optional orchid bark. You want soil that drains well, holds a little moisture, and always use a pot with drainage holes. Terracotta pots are a great choice. Section 6. How to make it bloom. Now, the part everyone wants to know. How do you get your Easter cactus to bloom? Here's the secret. It needs a rest period. About 8 to 12 weeks before spring. Reduce watering. Keep it cooler. 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Give it 12 to 14 hours of darkness daily. This triggers bud formation. Once buds appear, move it back to normal light. Water regularly. Do not move the plant too much. Even small changes can cause buds to fall off. Section 7. Fertilizing. Feed your plant during the growing season. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer. Apply every 2 to 4 weeks. Stop feeding in winter. Too much fertilizer, fewer flowers. Section 8. Pruning and propagation. After blooming, it's time to prune. Simply twist off segments at the joints. This will make your plant bushier, encourage more blooms next season. Bonus, propagation. Take 2 to 3 segments. Let them dry for 1 to 2 days. Plant in moist soil. In a few weeks, you've got a new plant. Section 9. Common problems. Quick troubleshooting. No flowers, not enough darkness. Bud drop, temperature changes or moving. Yellow leaves, overwatering. Pests, use neem oil. Caring for an Easter cactus isn't hard, but it is different. Once you understand its tropical nature and give it that all-important rest period, you'll be rewarded with stunning blooms every single year. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your plant questions, bell, and subscribe for more plant care tips. And tell me, has your Easter cactus bloomed yet? See you in the next video.